Now we have come to the very end of the program, but the program cannot end until unless we express our gratitude to those whose efforts have ultimately made this program a success. So I invite our present Managing Trustee, Dr. Shiv Narayan Sen, to give away the vote of thanks.
Are enthused, enlightened, and feel elevated too. We express our heartfelt thanks and deep gratitude to Sri Shraddhalu Ranade ji, who has presented us not only with the solution, the problems, the solution, and a look into the affairs of Maya. Yugapat viparitattvam mayaya ekalakshanam. There is a contradiction always prevailing. If there is artificial intelligence God has given, then the evil aspect of it is also very clear, and the method how to get out of it is also given. He has said that he has talked about the individual consciousness and the universal consciousness, that consciousness is beyond the process. So Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam eko bahunang yu vidudhati kaman tang pithagang jero bhayanti dhirasteshang siddhi shashwati neturesham. So consciousness is something, one who is eternal, nitya, amongst all the nityas, and chetanam, the consciousness amongst the consciousness, that is the universal consciousness, which pervades everything. That is the truth, the real truth. He said, he has pointed out twice that for which we are endowed, for which we are born, we have been offered this body to expiate our karma and know for complete enlightenment, for complete bliss. So naturally, he has opened unto us the entire field of God's mercy. And here is a place, a conjunction of both knowledge and devotion, under the lotus feet of Sri Thakur, Ma Sharoda, and Swamiji. So my heartfelt thanks to him. Swami Suparananda ji, the Secretary Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, who was the president of the meeting, he has given so much of time, and really that he has dwelled deep into the subject also by his remarks. He has enlightened us. The Department of Culture, Research and Maintenance departments of this institution, they have extended a lot of help to us for arranging publicity and inviting everybody. The Aurobindo Society, Calcutta, has also helped us in publicity through posters, etc. Sri Sitaram Das Sanskrit Shiksha Parishad, the two professors and the two Veda parties, they came and they presented the inaugural Vedic hymns. So we express our gratitude to them. And Sri Ashok Bhattacharya, we have already named, the son-in-law of Professor Shridhanshu Kumar Chakraborty and his daughter Mandira, they have all come, and we express our deep felt gratitude. From far away they have come. And the Globson Business School, we offer our gratitude to them for their support and participation in the activities of the management of Center for Human Development. And thanks to Dr. Taposh Ranjan Shah, also Director, IMS and IMS Business School, Kolkata, for providing us with the stationeries like pens, note sheet, pad, pocket diary, keyring, etc., etc. We are grateful. And then Sri Neil Bhaskar, founder and MD, Builders of Digital Economy, New Jersey, USA. He also continues to help us by his thoughts and for his support in the activities of the Management Center. Well, Dr. Shobhit Chaudhary, the founder of the Management Center for Human Development, a wing of the Shridhanshu Chakraborty Memorial Trust, who is very much here, and he is the prime inspiration behind the Management Center and all its trust activities at this age. And we pray to God that he lives long, because he is the main pillar the pillar of faith and determination to carry forward the ethos and Hindu values amongst all of us. And then last but not the least, I will thank Professor Bidyut Sarkar, our members of the trustee board, our well-wishers, and the audience, of course, the elite audience, I should say, who are all here, and our delegates from foreign country, from France. They have made it convenient to come and sit with us. So it's very inspiring. And with all these words, I offer my obeisance to Sri Thakur, Ma Sharoda, and Swamiji, and my obeisance to all of you.